sticking to your own like views.
All right, man. All right, that's
Yeah,
all I want to say. That's all I
wait.
want to ask.
I don't. I'm not even gonna respond to stupid arguments, bro. That's a stupid
No, it's
argument.
basic logic. I mean, come on.
It's knowledge. He could have knowledge of. He has knowledge of everything.
All right,
So
before I go, I just want to say that according to all four schools of jurisprudence, it's acceptable to marry a underage child. That's all I
Yeah,
want to say.
just like it's
okay, get off the
acceptable for
live, bro.
God to come out of a little girl, right? Just like
All
that.
four schools of jurisprudence. That's all I want
Uh-huh.
to say.
So how come your God didn't come out of an 18-year-old?
Hold on, no. We're not gonna do that. We're not
Okay,
gonna do
okay
that.
then. He went away. He went away.
Yo,
It's
can
okay.
I talk
No,
about
we're not.
a
Mhm.
Bible
We're not.
verse real quick?
One second. We're not trying to disrupt the stage like that, man. So before we do that, let me ask you a question real quick. So,
Okay.
in Quran verse chapter 90, verses 10 through 13. I'm gonna read it for you, okay? So it says, "And show them the two ways of right and wrong, if only they had attempted the challenging path. And what will make you realize the challenging path is? Is it to free a slave, or to give food in times of famine,
Uh-huh.
or to orphaned relative, or to an orphaned relative, or to a
Right.
poor person in distress?"
Right.
Okay, so can you tell me what do those 4 or 5 verses mean?
Give me the verse and chapter, please.
Chapter 90, and that's verses 90 verses 11 through 16.
Yeah. So what was your contention with that? I mean, the verse sounded pretty wholesome.
Yeah, it actually tells you what it is. So what are you trying to say? Or what? Yeah.
Well, first I want your understanding, because as soon as I bring a hadith, I don't want the understanding to change. So what do you understand by those 4 passages?
Alex, if you're looking at it, you can respond. I'm not looking
So
at it
you're
right
not
now.
going to give me the
Yeah.
understanding of
I
the
can
verse.
give you
You
the
want me to
understanding
just make
too,
up?
but I'm
Nah.
just not looking at it right now,
Yeah.
Alex.
Let me read it. Let me read it 1 second.
Yeah, I mean, if you asked me about a Bible verse and I knew its
I mean,
understanding, I would
yeah,
tell you before you brought your argument.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
just to
I
be
got one
clear.
for you too. Numbers 31:18.
yeah. So it's just saying, that this is a challenging path, and to free a slave, to give
Mhm.
food in times of famine, or to an orphan relative, or to a poor person, and above all, to be one of those who have faith and urge others to perseverance and urge each other to compassion. I mean, I just don't get the
You
verses
know, I
y'all
know what he's
bring
trying to
up,
say.
bro.
I know what he's gonna bring up, but I have a response to that.
What?
But yeah, it just means doing those good things. You know, freeing a slave, feeding the poor, things like that.
Yeah, right. Yeah,
Right,
I
right.
was just hoping it was that simple, right? Those,
It, it, it
that means that's a good thing, right? You just
right,
strive to do
right,
those things, right?
right.
Right. Okay. So Wasim, you say you know what I'm gonna bring up. What am I gonna bring up?
You know, you bring up what are you gonna bring up, and then I'll respond.
All
I
right.
just think I think no, I think I know where you're going with it, but you know, I don't know the future, obviously. So you
You
can,
want to make
you
an
can,
educated guess?
yeah. It's all good. Bring it up, and I'll respond.
It's all right for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, so I have a hadith here. Okay,
Hmm.
and it says, narrated Maimuna, the wife of the Prophet, said, she manumitted her slave girl, and the Prophet said to her, "You would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to one of your maternal uncles." So, if Muhammad revealed these verses in chapter 90, like we
First,
saw,
you gotta quote that we gotta see if it's authentic or not. Where you're getting it from?
Sahih al Bukhari
One number
2594.
What's the
25.
grade?
Sahih. It's Sahih, brother. Sahih, check it out. Sunadak, here, I'll pull it up. There's multiple of these as well.
I mean, yeah, I don't really see the contention.
Yeah, I don't see a problem with it, but I'll respond to him. Let's see what it says.
Yeah, I haven't even
Oh yeah.
made the full statement yet.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
You also have to prove there's any issue with it, right? So you have to do that through your
well,
own
I
morality.
can bring up an issue. I don't think I have to prove there's an
No,
issue,
no,
but I
no.
can
You know,
bring up.
because we can talk about it, but if you think there's anything wrong with it, then you got to bring up your own morality, and then we can respond to that, right?
So I'll show you. So
Go ahead.
Muhammad revealed those verses that we just read, right?
Yeah, it's his narration. Yeah.
Right, exactly. Okay.
Mhm.
So if that is the case, then why is he telling her, instead of saying congratulations, Allah will reward you for freeing the slave, instead he says you should have kept her in slavery by giving her to your maternal uncles.
Where is the contradiction?
Did I say I was posing a contradiction?
What are you saying that it's posing?
So do you know that her uncle was in need at that time?
Doesn't matter. She
Yeah,
freed
it
a
doesn't
slave.
matter because
Isn't that a good
you have
thing?
to say there's something wrong with that.
No, listen to what he says. He says you would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to one of your maternal
Yeah.
uncles.
So
Is freeing a slave better than not freeing a slave?
it can be, it can be. So it depends on what the purpose is. So generally speaking, it's even in the Quran to free a slave, right? But sometimes there's a bigger need. It's just like how in war, life is very precious, right? But in war, there's a need for people to give their life, right? Same thing with slavery. Sometimes there's a need. There's a big need. So in that time, her uncle was in dire need of someone to to help him because his wife had passed away and things like that. So he was trying to tell her that you could have given to your uncle and you would have got a reward of helping your uncle out with that rather than slaving. So she was thinking of good, to free the slave, but she didn't think that that's another way to do a good deed. And then her uncle, after the need, could have freed her still, right?
Bro.
Yeah. See, it's deep.
Oh man.
It's not that simple.
No, it's not deep. It's
Yes,
not
it is.
deep.
Yes, it
It's
is.
not deep.
Yes.
It's not deep. It's called distortion. Listen.
It's not distortion.
Distortion.
Your Quran
Oh,
literally
yeah, no, wait. You're talking
says
about
in
hadith. Now you're
chapter
talking about
90.
No. Let him talk.
I
Let him
put
say what
both
it
of these
says.
together. I put both of them together.
No,
Your
say
Quran.
what the Quran says. You didn't finish.
Exactly. That's what I said. I read the verses in chapter 90, bro.
Yeah, and
You
it
want me to
says
read them
what?
again?
It says
You
what?
want me to read them again? This
Yeah,
points
yeah,
you to
yeah.
the fact that you should strive to free a slave.
Yeah,
We
nothing wrong with
already
that.
established that, right?
Yeah, cool. It doesn't say
Right?
that's a wait,
Okay.
listen,
So
listen.
wait. But so Muhammad is the one who's like, this knowledge is brought to his attention, and instead of saying congratulations about something Allah said you should strive to do, he says, "Oh, you should have given her to one of your maternal uncles. You would
But
have got
yeah, right.
more reward."
Right.
But the thing is,
So instead of freeing her, let's keep her as a slave girl and give her to one of your
So,
maternal
but
right? No,
that's
wait. But see, one second.
go ahead.
So
So
he's ignoring the fact that she
no,
strived to do. No. He's ignoring the fact that she did something that Allah says you should strive to do.
No,
Hence
you're
the
making
title.
that up.
Thus have
That's
you
not.
read your
wait.
falsehood.
Can I respond?
Go ahead, Alex.
So the verse doesn't say that freeing a slave is the best option of every single situation you could be in. The verse just says
Oh
to
man.
strive. It just says to strive to free a slave.
Yeah.
So I don't see what the contention
Yeah.
is.
Oh my God.
Just like
Hey, y'all are
working
I
minimum
mean,
wage
it's
is not
not.
always the best option, right?
I mean, it's
Dying in
just
war is
common
not the
sense.
best
I don't.
option.
Y'all are some master
Being sick
manipulators,
is
man.
not
I
always the best option,
swear,
right?
bro.
I don't see what's manipulative. I'm literally
Hey,
Yeah.
just
you know
reading
what
it
this
verbatim.
reminds me of? You know what this reminds me of, y'all, though? Yesterday, I had a Muslim on stage, right?
Uh-huh.
And there was a verse that said that there was a barrier that the two seas cannot cross.
Right.
And he says, where does it say they cannot cross forever, right? And this is what y'all doing, bro. So
Yeah,
No,
because
it's
it's not
not
a
what
current
we're
meaning.
doing.
You can't
Not
make the
what
meaning
we're
up.
It's
doing.
You have
all
to have it
good,
from
bro.
somewhere, right?
I mean, do you have a contention with what I
It's
said, or are you
all
just gonna
good,
laugh?
man. No, I did. That's what I said. I said it's distortion. I can't
I
respond to
I,
distortion.
I told you that what the verse says is to you
Yeah, but
should.
you're asking me, where does it say the extras? We're
I didn't
discussing
ask
what the
that.
verse
What is?
literally says. Yeah,
I didn't
yeah, you
ask
are.
that.
You
I
guys
didn't
don't
even
take
ask you a
verse in
question.
isolation either, right? So you're a hypocrite.
Oh man.
Your own
No, it's
verses
not
you don't
even
take in
taken in
isolation.
isolation. The verse says you should strive to free a slave. It
Yeah,
doesn't
this is
say
about
that.
slavery, Paul.
Yeah, it's not absolute like a free a slave in every
Yeah,
situation.
Yeah, it doesn't say
Bro,
that you
you're
should
not
free us.
understanding what I'm. You're not
No, you're
understanding
not
what I'm saying.
understanding. It's
I
basic.
understand what you guys are saying. You guys
Yeah,
are
because it makes too
distorting. I
much
get it.
sense, so you don't know what to say. That's what it
No, I
is.
understand what you're saying, but you're distorting. That's why. That's
It's
why it's
not distortion.
problematic.
It's clear cut.
Yeah,
Because
it's
he
clear cut,
says
bro.
because he says he's literally banking on the fact that this is something. Says he's literally banking on the fact that this is something that Muslims should strive for. You want me to read it again? You
Yeah,
want me to
Yeah, they
read it
generally
should
again?
yes, but
strive
not
for it, but
absolute.
it
And
doesn't mean
what
that
can make
doesn't mean
you
that
know what is the difficult path? It is to free a slave or to give food in times of famine to an orphaned relative or to a poor person in distress.
that's a funny thing. It literally says it's a challenging path. So it doesn't even say strive for. It says it's a challenging
Oh
path. That's all
man.
it says. So
Yeah.
I don't get what
Would it
you're.
not so would it not benefit you to try your best to complete the challenging path before Allah?
Sure,
Yeah, if there's
we don't
not
have an issue with
exigent,
that.
if there's not exigent
So this is what the
circumstances.
verse is saying. Do I have to teach you your Quran, bro? You know
Mm,
what this is saying, bro. You know that this is
yeah,
good.
I
You know
know.
that this is
Just
good.
like listen. Just like pork is forbidden in the Quran, but if you're starving and you
Uh,
see a pig, you can eat the pig,
right.
even though the
Just
Quran
like
says don't
Jesus
eat
never
pork.
ate pork and you guys eat pork, right? Like that. See how consistent it is and logical it is, and it makes complete sense. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you're acting as if
Uh-huh.
this hadith is stating that this person was in need. This person was not in need of a slave girl. He's just saying
Wait,
you
So
how
you
would
do
don't
you
you
know
have
don't
that?
got.
you're not
How do
looking
you
at
know
the
that?
other hadiths where the
How do
prophet's
you
talking
know
about
that?
his
That's what I'm
uncle.
saying. I'm not adding
No,
that into
you
it.
made the
You are.
statement. You just
You
made the
made a
No, no,
wrong
statement.
no, 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 no.
statement.
You're making the statement. I'm saying the hadith doesn't say that.
No,
You're
that
Because
making the
we don't
okay.
take it
Well,
in
statement.
isolation. It's not by itself. It's not
Okay,
absolute.
we'll
What
prove.
can't you understand?
We'll prove that the person was in need of a slave girl
But the prophet's word is proof. He just said it in there.
because it says no. Listen, it says you
In the
would have
hadith is
got
proof.
more. Wasim, listen, it says you would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to one of your maternal uncles.
Right, because he was in need at that time.
Prove it.
It's historically proven.
Prove it.
All
Bring
right.
the source. Read it,
So you want some this
and
is
it
gonna
better be a
then you
valid
want me to get
source.
multiple other hadiths and so you'll know about that, then we're gonna go off topic. But I can get it if you want.
No, we're not going to go off topic. This is on topic. This is you proving
right.
that whoever. This is you proving that whoever needed a slave girl, and then on top of that too, you're going to run yourself into a wall because he's not even talking about one specific person. He's saying you would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to one
How do you
I
know
of
mean,
how many
your.
paternal uncles she had?
he quite literally is talking
How
about
do you
one
know how many
specific.
paternal uncles she
He's
had?
not talking about one specific uncle because he says one of,
What?
and then
Wait,
he
give
says
me the
uncles.
hadith.
He
Give me
said,
the
then he
hadith.
says
Give us the
uncles,
hadith, man.
plural.
How do we know what you're saying is right or
Yeah,
not?
give me the hadith.
I already pulled it up. You didn't read it?
I thought Alex had it, but I don't have it. But
No,
pull it up
I
so I
don't
can look
have
at
it.
it too.
That's crazy. Here, bro. Look. You would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to one of your maternal uncles.
Okay, so one sec.
He didn't say you would have got more reward if you had given the slave girl to your maternal uncle. So he's just
Okay.
giving her options like you could have did this. So it's problematic, bro. Do you have it? Do you have it?
I don't see how it's problematic.
It's not problematic at all. They both could have had a need too, right? That doesn't mean
Well,
anything.
my point is he should have been congratulating her and telling her to keep the
No,
girl in slavery.
that's your subjective opinion, which is meaningless.
I'm
Right.
giving you my subjective opinion. I didn't say you had to agree with it.
Yeah,
All right.
there's no
We
logical.
understand it.
There's no logical inconsistency. There's just your
Yeah,
subjective
it makes
opinion.
perfect sense.
Oh
I mean,
my goodness, there is an inconsistency, but if you don't
No,
see it, then that's on you, bro.
no, it's
no, there's
not.
not
It's
logical
perfectly.
because the verse literally
She freed a
says it's
slave. She
challenging.
freed a slave, and he says, "Why did you free her? You should have gave her to your uncle.
Yeah, but you don't know the whole
Okay.
situation about her uncle situation.
Why did you free her? You should have gave her to one of your uncles, bro. How is that not problematic, bro?
It's like why you spent $500 on yourself? You should have gave it to someone, one of your family members, right?
Bro, we're talking about a prophet of God. If you come to a prophet and tell him that you freed
Yeah,
a slave,
but you
and
guys
he
do the
says,
same thing
"Why
yourselves.
did you free her?"
And you have
Listen,
verses
if you
in your
come
own
to
Bible
if
that does
you
the same
if you
thing, but you guys are
if
being
you come
hypocritical. That's
if
what
you
it
come
is.
to a prophet, if you come to a prophet and
Which you don't
he
even believe he's a prophet, right?
you
So
do You
So
do.
you're trying to use our own standards, and you're not applying the standards that we use,
I mean, hey, if this is the
and you're
standard
making
that you,
stuff up,
if
and
this is the
you're
standard
implying
that
things
you
that's not
uphold,
there.
if this
There's
is the
no.
standard that you uphold your prophet to, then that's bad.
It makes perfect sense. We have no problem with that.
All right, cool. I know you don't have a
So
problem with it. If
basically,
you
you're
think it's
saying
okay.
you're saying
I
it's
mean,
wrong. You're saying it's wrong for her to give us her slave
yeah,
to her uncle.
basically it's wrong, right? That's what you're saying.
Y'all missing the
No,
whole
no, no,
argument.
it's
No, because
wrong.
I'm
Okay,
saying what the
prove to me how
Quran
that's
verse has
wrong.
nothing to do
Where
with
you're
the.
driving
I
that is
can't prove
wrong.
to you it's wrong because you said it's not a problem. If it's not a problem
No,
to you,
for
then it's
us
not
it's
wrong.
not, but for you it is, right? So
Okay,
prove where
great.
you're
So
You
it's
have
it's
wrong.
anything
so
How
okay.
else?
you
So
know it's wrong?
there's no point in me proving anything to you if you've already
Right.
concluded that it's not a
Yeah,
problem.
Do you
okay.
have?
We can move to the
Okay.
next question then.
Yeah. Do you have anything else?
I
Or
think Logic
could
has
we bring
something.
up a verse of the Bible or what?
Yeah, I'm only talking about the Bible because of what he's saying. I'm
Why
trying
do you
not to
want to
go
talk
into
about the
that, but
Bible?
because he's
You
being
like that
hypocritical in some aspects.
that one verse about if you beat your servant and he stays alive, like can
Yeah,
you
there is a.
reconcile that one?
Why
Or
do you want to talk about the Bible?
I just wanted to talk because we were talking about the Quran for a while, so I just wanted to talk about the Bible.
Yeah, this room is about Islam.
Okay, see, you didn't want to
No,
reconcile.
no, that as long as you don't go into that, like you can't prove it's wrong or false, then it's fine. We can just talk about Islam. That's fine. But once you say something's wrong in my religion, then you have to bring your morality up.
No, I just
And
have
once you
no
bring your
interest in
morality
talking
up,
about the
then we
Bible
can
to
shut
you.
it down real good,
I
real
just have no
fast.
interest in talking about a corrupted book to you. So I don't know if that verse is
No,
true
no,
or not.
we
No,
know
it's called
it's
an
corrupt.
internal. Yeah, you're being dishonest now because you're
You're
Yeah.
giving us.
internally critiquing something you believe is corrupted.
Do you believe the Quran is
We
the
be-
truth?
Come on now.
Do you
you
do you,
believe
be-
in
do you
Quran is
believe the
truth, so
Quran
but
is?
you can talk about the
I
Quran,
don't
but we
believe
can't
the
talk about
Quran is
Bible.
corrupted. I believe the word. I believe that the Quran says what it says,
Do
and
you
then we
believe
can
it's
dissect
false?
whether it's true or
Do you
not.
believe it's
I don't believe
false?
it's corrupted.
So
Yeah, I
why are you
believe it's
talking about
false
the Quran if you don't
Okay,
even
so
believe
why
it?
are you talking about a false book?
Yeah.
Like
because I'm
you see
showing
your
you that the
logic?
book is false.
Okay, then we can show you could do the same
Yeah,
thing with yours.
I'm
this is what
talking
I'm
about a
saying.
false book to wait, listen, I'm talking about a false book to show Muslims that it's false. If you're going into a book that's corrupted, you don't even know what you're reading was even supposed to be in there. So what's the point of us even reading and talking about it?
To prove to
Yeah,
Why
you
the
would I
that
point is
justify
that it's
how
why
false.
would I
illogical,
justify something? No.
how made
The,
up,
Why
the,
would
how
I
the,
justify something to you that's corrupted? It
yeah,
wouldn't matter
we're
whether
showing you that it's corrupt and
it
false.
wouldn't matter whether I just okay. So you going to a verse that says something about slaves, right, and how to treat your slaves has nothing to do with the book being corrupted. That has
No,
something to do with you not. That
it
has
has to
something to do
do.
with you not liking what's in the book. So if you
No,
don't like,
it has to
but
do
listen,
with it
Alex,
being.
Alex, listen to what I'm saying. Alex, listen to what I'm saying. If you don't like what's in a corrupted book, that does not matter. Who cares? You don't even know if that's supposed to be in there or not. It's
no
corrupted, right?
that
No,
So
bro,
this is
bro,
the same thing you
you're
do. This is the
gaslighting.
same
You're
thing you do
gaslighting,
when we
bro.
go.
gaslighting,
No.
gaslighting.
This is the
Bro,
same thing you
it's an
do when we
internal
go
critique.
to. No, it's not no. That is
Well,
not an internal
it's not a.
critique, bro.
What's
It
the
Look,
is not an
definition of internal critique?
for you. It's not an internal critique. For you, it's a pointless critique because if I
it's not pointless
justify
No,
it,
because that's where you get your morality from. That's how we can
listen
tell
to
you
what I'm
that
yo,
what you're
it's
saying
saying.
is
fine.
Listen
Yo,
to
meaningless.
what I'm saying. Listen to what I'm saying. If I justify it for you, is the Bible still corrupt?
No, we'll believe the Bible is still corrupt, but that's how we show to
Thank
you
you. That's how
that
it's a pointless
that's
critique.
where you get your morality from, so we can
That's
talk
how
about
it's a
it.
point. No. That's how it's a pointless critique because you're still going to believe the Bible is corrupted, which would mean that at
oh,
no point in time would it ever make you come to the Bible. So
pick.
why am I trying to prove anything to you
You're
about the
not
Wait,
Bible
pick.
proving
No
being
anything, but
problem.
what
corrupt?
we're trying to
Pick.
say is you
Wait,
have no morality then. Without the Bible, you have nothing.
Wasim, chill. He
Oh
doesn't want to
man.
debate his book. It's
This is
fine.
insane.
He,
No, I
he's
would
making these.
no. I'm showing you how illogical it is for a Muslim
No,
to come to a book that he believes is corrupt. You don't even know what you're reading is supposed
you.
to be there.
It's there
How do you
though.
know?
It's
How do
there.
you know? Okay. Show me that verse is
You
not
believe
corrupted.
it.
No.
Wait, no.
Alex, show me that verse is not corrupted, and then we can talk about it.
Wait. Listen. You believe the verse, right?
Show me,
So if
no.
I,
Show me that verse is not corrupted, and then we can talk about it. Because if
No, you
I
know
go,
why you
bro,
don't
you
want to
just
talk
don't
about
want
if
to
it?
I
Because
debate.
you
go
know
Bro,
it's
it's
somewhere,
corrupted.
fine. It's fine.
That
but
that's
It's
what
listen,
it
fine.
is.
if I go
You know
somewhere,
it's corrupted.
if
You
I
don't
go
want to talk about
somewhere,
it because you have no
Wasim,
leg to
if
stand
I
on.
go, but listen, if I go
That's what it
somewhere,
is.
no, Wasim, watch this, because if I go somewhere in the Bible to show you how your religion is false, you're gonna say that verse is corrupted, correct?
It's because that's an outside critique. It's not an internal critique,
Oh
bro.
my goodness, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
you
you
Hypocritical
gotta
at
just
its
stay
don't want to
finest.
consistent,
debate.
man. You
You
guys
don't want to
can't stay
debate,
Hypocritical,
consistent.
hypocritical at its finest,
Just like
bro.
how you eat pork and
bro.
stuff. You know, no.
Bro,
Hypocrisy at its
bro,
finest,
come
bro.
on,
Yeah.
bro. That's sad, bro. You're running. You're trying to run from it, bro. It's
No
fine.
one's running. No one's running from you. You just don't understand what you're doing when you say the
Yo,
Bible is corrupted. When you go
do
to
me
the
a
Bible to
favor.
quote verses.
Look up internal critique. Do me a
Okay,
favor.
so okay. So what verse do you want to talk about in the Bible?
If Wasim wanted to talk, maybe it'd be a little bit more. But I wanted to talk about the servant.
And
Where
what
if you,
book? And what book is that in? And what book is that in the Bible?
I can pull it up.
I know what he's talking about, the one where you guys talk about what it talks about the slave
Exodus.
being beat.
Exodus.
Is Exodus corrupted?
Not according to you.
No, not according to you. We're talking about you, not us.
Yeah, it's
I don't
called
want to.
Just like
internal
you talk about.
critique.
Oh, so you can talk about the Quran, but
You have
we
to
can't talk
admit
about the
Exodus.
Bible.
You have to admit Exodus says what it says in order for us to have the conversation, brother.
Yeah,
I'm not
it
going to
says
talk
what
to
it
you
says
about a
right
book
here.
that's corrupted.
It says what it says.
It
Right
says
here.
right there.
There's
It
no
says
point.
in there. It
There's
says that.
no
Exodus.
point in there's no okay. So if Exodus is corrupted, then there's no point in us talking
No,
about it.
but
No,
we
it's
don't know
an
what exactly is
internal
corrupted or not.
critique.
You have to understand our
I
belief
don't know
system.
how
Oh,
much
bro,
times you have to say it.
bro, if you're gonna internally critique a corrupted book, you
So
need to prove that it's
okay, let me
corrupted
tell you
first.
this.
No,
So
we
John
don't.
17:3 says there's only one God, right? It says that the one true only God is the Father. We actually
You know
believe
what
that.
John also says? You know
We
what John also
no.
says? John also
Forget
says
also. I'm
Jesus was
giving you an
crucified.
example, right? So that means
John
that part
also
of it
says
is
Jesus
aligned
was
with the Quran.
crucified.
That
Do you
part is
know?
correct, right?
Wasim. Oh, there we go. Here it is. See, he said that part is correct. Okay, so then now go.
So
Do you know
that's
John
how we
also
judge
says he
it.
was
So you have
crucified?
some truth in it.
Wait, Wasim. Do you know
Doesn't mean
John?
100% is false.
Oh my
But yeah,
Wasim, wait, Wasim,
go ahead. Go ahead.
do you know John also says Jesus was crucified? Do you know John also says Jesus is the Son of God? Do you know John also says Jesus is the Word of
Yeah,
God?
but everyone's the son of God in the Bible. Abraham's the
Who
son of
is
God.
God and
Moses,
who
son of
became
God.
flesh
This
and
son of
dwelt
God,
among
right?
us? Do you know he says that, right? Do you know John also says that, right?
Yeah, he does. So that part,
Okay, so do you believe that?
some parts are corrupted. Yeah, those parts will be corrupted.
Thank you. So thank you. I have no interest in talking to you about the Bible. Thank you. That's why I have no interest in talking to you about the
Then you
Bible.
can't
Soon
talk
as
about
flesh starts
morality.
to
Then you
define.
can't
bro,
tell us
No,
what's right and
it's
as
wrong.
flesh
literally,
starts to
Is
bro,
that
Hey,
it's
simple?
called an internal
You can.
critique.
you guys gotta
We
let me
won't
speak,
talk
bro.
about the
You gotta
Bible,
let me
but you
speak.
have no leg
Yo,
to
Hold
let's
stand
on,
on
just
to
talk
tell us
about the
what is
Wasim.
right and
chronicles.
wrong.
Wasim, you have to
Fine.
let me speak. You gotta let me speak, y'all. Look,
Go
this
ahead.
is
Go
the
ahead.
reason why I have no interest in discussing the Bible to you, because once it's reconciled and other passages are read, you're gonna say exactly what you just said right now, Wasim. That's the reason why I said I
We
didn't
No,
can
want to
we're
still
talk to
not.
you
discuss
about the
We're
about
not.
it.
Bible.
We'll talk about it, but you don't want to. You don't want
No
to do
way,
that. We can prove
pig.
to you
We're
how it's
not going to
false,
say
how
it.
it makes no sense.
He
No,
already
pig.
said
No,
it.
listen. We're not going to say it because it's an internal
He
critique.
already said it, bro.
No,
He
but I'm
already. It's
saying
too late, dude.
in regards to the argument, we're talking about the morality in your book. We're giving an internal critique. So
Yeah.
we're not going to say that in regards to the internal critique because that's what you
Okay,
believe
so
in.
when you justify something in a book, right? When you're justifying anything in a book, it's to show the person, hey, this book is truthful and this is what this means and it's not a problem, right? And this should lead the person to actually come towards the book, correct? Correct?
Sure.
That should make it that should lean that person one step closer to to coming towards that book, because they say, okay, you know what? I had this opinion about this verse, but now I think differently, right? So now they're more open to accepting that passage. I'm not saying that they're joining the religion instantly, but they're more open to accepting that passage. You, on the other hand, will never do that because you believe the Bible is corrupted. So if I justify anything in my Bible for you, you're still going to believe it's corrupted, correct?
Sure.
Thank you. So it's pointless. I'm done. Go ahead, Logic, bro.
It's not
Yeah.
pointless if I'm giving an internal critique, but
Yeah,
you
and
clearly don't
it's
want.
not
It is
pointless on a
pointless.
morality
Wait,
basis,
Pig,
but that's where your
I don't
morality
see
is
that,
derived from.
bro.
It is
Everybody,
pointless. Here, listen to what I'm saying, Alex. It is pointless because when I talk to you about your religion, right? And if you justify something for me, that will open me up to say, you know what? Wow, I actually feel what they're saying on this verse. I can see this. If I'm having a conversation about whether what religion is true or not, and I already have a preconceived notion that the Quran is corrupted, there's nothing that you can tell me to justify in that book that will make me go
That's
to the
not true. A
Quran
no,
lot of
but
people believe
you
Quran is
you
false and
believe it's
corrupted. Once
false
they
though.
start reading
You,
it,
I believe it's false, not corrupted.
they become Muslim.
So in order for me to
So
believe that it's
that doesn't even
true,
make sense.
in order for me to believe that it's true, you would have to remove the notion that it's false. And then I will believe that it's true. if I remove the
So
notion that the
why
Bible,
can't you prove to us
if
that it's
I
not
remove
corrupted?
the notion,
Because
hold
you
on,
have no
listen.
leg to stand on.
If I
That's what it
remove
is.
it, Wasim, listen. If I remove the notion that the Bible is true for you guys, you'll still think it's corrupted. Hence, you will
No,
still won't believe
you
it.
can try to prove to us that it's 100% accurate. It's reliable.
All right.
It's preserved. You can do that,
But first you
but
have
you
to
can't.
believe
That's
it's
the
not
thing.
corrupted. First, you have to believe it's not corrupted, or else we're gonna have a pointless conversation.
That's not
Because
true.
when
That's
I
like saying the
because
atheist can never believe. That
no,
doesn't
that's
make no
Yo,
logical
we're
sorry, you
seeing,
don't get it.
we're
You
seeing
don't
it's
get it,
over
bro.
with, bro. It's over with, bro.
I
Like,
mean,
You don't
come
get it.
on, bro.
You don't get it, bro. You don't get it.
Anybody
no.
would see that you're scared
I
too.
kind of
But it's
understand what you're
fine
trying to
though.
say,
No,
but
bro, I've had a conversation about that, bro. I can read you multiple verses on how you're supposed to treat your slaves, bro, and it will cook you right now. But
oh,
you won't
why don't
believe.
you
You
try
won't
it?
believe it.
Yeah,
Uh,
we'll just bring up your Bible about beating someone to death, and if they die,
yeah,
they die. If they don't, they
that
don't. You know what I'm saying?
that's outrageous, bro.
Yeah. And you trying to talk about us? Our slavery is
Like,
nothing like yours. What are you talking about? It's basically
bro, I,
um
that
uh
that verse is
Bro,
impossible
you're
to
literally talking
reconcile, bro.
about slavery in the Bible, bro. It's so easy to debunk.
prisoners of war, basically.
Y'all
That's all
got
it
him,
is.
bro. Y'all got him running. Keep going.
Got me
How are we
running, man.
running?
You hear?
You're just talking, because how are we running? He's not even asking us questions. So how are we running?
No, he
Yeah,
said y'all
we're
got me
still
running,
here.
bro.
Anyways, I don't got too much time,
He
but
said
I'm
y'all
still here
got
right
me
now.
running, bro. He said y'all got me running.
Yeah, I mean,
He on
I just
y'all
wanted
side.
to, I just wanted you to reconcile the verse, like quickly, or you don't have to take a long time. Like, I'm just
I'll
curious.
reconcile the verse. I'll reconcile the verse, bro. Go ahead, bring it up, bro.
All right.
It's gonna be pointless though.
Yeah, it's not gonna make sense, but he can try to do it.
All right. Exodus 21:20.
You want to read it?
I could pull it up. Yo, Wasim, can you read it?
No, I'm not on the computer right now. I
No, I
cannot.
got you.
Yeah,
Make me big. Read it for me, Wasim.
I can read it. Anyone who beats their male or female slave with a rod must be punished. If the slave dies as a direct result, but they are not to be punished if the slave recovers after a day or two, since the slave is their property. We have absolutely nothing like
This
this
is
in the Quran
actually
or Hadith.
outrageous. So you could beat the slave half to death, but
Yeah.
if he recovers after, like, bro, this is outrageous. Like, yeah. So,
You
like,
know,
how do you reconcile this?
yeah. And one time a companion came to our prophet and he said that I mean his female prisoner of war, we don't use the slave as the word, but anyways, she complained to him that he pushed her and slapped her, and the prophet said, "You're free, go."
Yeah, I
Like
could
you
bring
can't,
that dude up.
yeah, you can't do that. So I mean, this is like crazy.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a question though. Like, which slavery is worse, the Islamic slavery or the Christianity slavery to you?
What I'll tell you is, if in that time, if for my own family, I'd rather have the Islamic slavery than your slavery.
Wait, so which you guys gonna let him answer or what?
Yeah.
Right. You're just going on and on, bro.
Go ahead.
But y'all got him here, man. He's stuck.
That's a question.
So let's read. All right. So let's read. Let me pull it up. Read.
It's right there.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna pull it up myself too.
Okay.
This is true though, right? Like, this is correct.
No, they have
I
no
don't know.
workaround
I
on
don't know.
this.
You gotta tell me, man. You it's corrupted. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm.
No,
I don't know
I'm
if I'm
asking
even
you, bro.
justifying something. I don't know if I'm even justifying something. Okay, so here we go. Let's see, Exodus 21. You said Exodus 21:20. So let's start from 12. Anyone who strikes a person with a fatal blow.
He got to read all the way to 12, guys. Look at him running.
Anyone who strikes a person with a fatal blow is to be put to unalive. However, it is not done, however, if it is not done intentionally, but God lets it happen, they are to flee to a place I will designate. 14. But if anyone schemes and unalive someone deliberately, that person is to be taken from my altar and put to death or unalive. Let's see, 15. Anyone who attacks their father or mother is to be put to unalive. 16. Anyone who kidnaps someone is to be put to unalive, whether the victim has been sold or still is in the kidnapper's possession. 17. Anyone who curses their father or mother is to be put to unalived. And in 18, if people quarrel and one person hits another with a stone or with their fist, and the victim does not unalive, but is confined to bed, the one who struck the blow will not be held liable if the other can get up and walk around outside with a staff. However, the guilty party must pay the injured person for any loss of time and see the victim is completely healed. 20. Anyone who beats their male or female slave with a rod must be punished if the slave unalives as a direct
Wait,
result.
the word is not beat. Like it doesn't mean to like beat. It's like tap. You know.
Yeah, you're making a joke. I was gonna
Tap
say,
with a
bro.
miswak,
It's
bro.
it's
Anyone
with the
who,
miss. It's
hey,
with the miswhack.
if
You know.
if anyone who lightly,
It says
The word is not beat in our religion. In
but
your
they,
book, it says beat. All right,
no. It doesn't say. It's
it
like
says beat there directly.
it's like to
no, it
like.
doesn't
It's like
mean that,
to.
bro. It
It's
means
like
lightly,
to.
like hit with
Like
a
if you
Oh,
toothbrush.
ever
it means lightly, huh?
like
Until
if
they
I
You know
die,
what I
ever
right?
mean? You
So
know
they,
when
they
you hit
lightly
somebody
die.
with a toothbrush,
no
bro.
like
Yeah,
when you beat
makes
somebody.
perfect logical
You know
sense,
when
right? Lightly
when
died.
you beat somebody in a race. You know
Just
when you
like
beat.
Jesus lightly died, right? Got stripped naked, put on the cross, and
Wasim,
died. Mhm.
Wasim, you know when you beat somebody in a race?
Yeah.
That's what it's talking about. All right,
I mean,
go ahead, Lai. Go ahead.
Solid. Let's reconcile it.
They didn't
yeah. Look at
understand
the
it.
footnotes. Just read the footnotes. It'll tell
Yeah,
you everything.
yeah. The footnote has to be in Arabic though.
Oh, okay, okay.
Come on, sis.
I thought it
Reconcile
was
this
written in
verse, bro.
I thought Jesus spoke Greek, right?
That's
Yeah.
all
Bro,
kind.
this is not okay, bro. Like honestly, like
Yeah.
But yeah,
It's
go ahead, Lai.
totally unacceptable.
Go ahead
no,
and finish,
because
bro.
All right.
people would
Oh
use this to
man.
justify slavery,
Yeah.
certain acts in slavery and things. So it's not really a joke, But
Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
so can you
Okay.
reconcile it?
I'm
So,
really happy you
all right.
feel like I'm really happy you feel this way because as soon as he's done with this, I'm gonna show you how you just buried yourself in your religion. But go ahead, Life. Go ahead and finish so
Okay.
I could cook.
Yeah. So it says anyone who taps their male or female, anyone who taps their female slave with a miswak, must be punished if the slave unalives as a direct result. Did you read 20? Did you read 20? Okay. I don't think you did. But they are not to be punished if the slave recovers after a day or two, since the slave is their property. Let me read 22. If people are fighting and hit a pregnant woman and gives her birth prematurely, but there's no serious injuries, the offenders must be fined whatever the woman's husband demands and the course allows. But if there's serious injury, you are to take life for life, eye for eye, tooth for tooth, hand for hand, foot for foot, burn for burn, wound for wound, bruise for bruise. So what is your issue here?
Keep reading
Because
all the
if
way
you
to
see,
27.
yeah, I was about to do that. I just heard somebody say something, so I was like, let me
You
stop.
didn't know nothing.
I heard somebody smirk. Somebody was smirking.
You said what is my issue?
I heard somebody smirking, so I just said, all right, let's get like, what is
No,
your
I'm
issue?
saying before that you asked what
Go
is my issue with the
ahead.
verse.
You
I
guys
heard
joking
somebody
around
smirking,
because you
so
have no
all right,
response.
but
That's
let me
what it
just
is.
finish. Let me finish 26 and 27. I thought somebody was, showing they didn't have no patience. But anyway, 26 through 27, and then we can start talking about it. An owner who hits a male or female slave in the eye and destroys it must let the slave go free to compensate for the eye. And an owner who knocks out the tooth of a male or female slave must let the slave go free to compensate for the tooth. So, as we see in verses 20, there's a punishment that is being laid out on the owner in verse 20. And then in verse 21, it states that if the slave recovers, right,
Mhm.
But they are not to be punished if the slave recovers after a day or two, since the slave is their property. So
He
what's happening is,
survives a day
so
or
what?
two. Not
Yeah, so
recovers, survives.
So you can like
recovers, survives.
so
Not
you
the
can
No,
like
same
torture a
thing. Not the
slave, like
same thing.
just make sure don't
no, you
die, then it's
can't.
all good.
No, you can't. You can't torture a slave, and that's why I said I'm gonna bring you another verse that shows you how to
Okay,
treat your slave.
so one sec. So when we told you that we don't take everything, in isolation, at that time you had a problem, but now you're bringing multiple verses, this, that. Now it's cool.
What, bro? You're asking
Before,
me a question
remember when
about
you
the
brought up
Bible.
the
I'm gonna
slave
bring you
thing?
back.
Remember you
Wait, you're
said
asking
that
me a
don't bring
question
other
about the
hadiths?
Bible. You see why I said this is pointless? Because you're asking a question about the Bible, and then you don't want me to go nowhere else in the Bible to quote you what's actually taking
So
place here and
yeah,
how you're
we
supposed
were
to
doing the
treat your
same
slaves.
thing. You brought up a hadith, and we were bringing you another hadith. It's still hadith, right?
I never told you not to bring me another hadith. Not
You
once.
said
I
that before,
told you to
but
bring me.
go ahead.
Wait,
I told you to bring me
Wasim.
another.
Yo, Pig. So are you saying
I literally
this?
told you to bring me another one or whatever. I said,
Well,
bring me the
that's a
source.
distraction, life.
Pig. So are you saying that this verse isn't saying you could beat him half to death?
You can't. No,
No.
you can't. This is giving a ruling on if you do, but you can't. You're not supposed to.
Yeah, I know. Okay, but if you do, he is not to be avenged, right?
If he doesn't die, no.
If
he's
he
not to be
doesn't die,
avenged.
that's what the verse says, bro. If he recovers.
So
No, if
so
he no, it doesn't say that.
so,
It
so
says if
No,
he
it doesn't say that.
survives.
Yeah.
hold on.
It says if he survives a day or two.
My turn now. My
Yeah,
turn.
as in he died. As in he died after the day or two.
Alex. So you see verse 20, it says that if a man beats his slave and kills the slave, then he must be avenged, right? Meaning the master that killed him is now going to be unalived because of that, correct?
Right.
All right. Now the next verse talks about if the slave is not dead but survives, right?
A day or two.
So
A day
he's
or
not,
two.
doesn't matter.
No, it does matter.
So he's not to be avenged because the slave did not die. So he's not going to get the capital punishment for murder.
No.
because he did not
You're
unalive
not
someone.
reading the verse correctly.
I am reading the verse.
It
right
says if he survives a day or two,
here. Yeah.
meaning that he will die after that day
No,
or
that's
two.
not what. Where does it say? And he dies later. Where does it say?
Because that's the meaning of survive.
No,
You can't
survive. You can survive as long as you. There's no time limit on.
Yeah,
on
that's what I'm
surviving.
saying. If you survive specifically only for 1 or 2 days, that means that you are
It
not
doesn't say
surviving no more.
specifically for 1 or 2 days.
It says a day or two.
But if the slave survives a day or two, it doesn't limit it to a day or two.
It literally does.
This. Okay.
It literally says if he survives
In
a
the
day or
parent meaning, that's what it says.
So here it is.
Oh,
No,
man.
it's not. So anyway, he's not to be avenged because he did not unalive the slave. So the master is not going to die because he did not unalive the slave. You understand that, right?
No, that's not what the verse says.
Really?
It says
So what happens
the
if the slave? What happens if the slave dies?
if he dies at the spot, which is a context.
No, it doesn't say on the spot. Where does it say on the spot?
No, that's a context because of the second verse,
No,
21.
it has nothing to know. Not at all. Where does it say on the spot? Since we're going to be hanging on words.
No, it doesn't say that,
on the
but
spot?
that's a context.
Okay, thank you. So it doesn't say that on the spot. It doesn't say that he has to die immediately. It says when he when he beats his slave, and his slave dies under his hand, he shall be avenged.
Yeah, under
What
his
does that
hand.
mean?
Under
What does
his
that
hand,
mean?
meaning
What
he
does that
dies
mean?
on the spot.
What does
Under
that?
his hand.
Wait. What does under his hand mean?
It means on the spot. Under his
No,
hand.
it doesn't.
literally.
It means that he was the cause of his death.
That's not what it means.
No, that's not what
That's
it means,
what-
man.
That's not what it
Bro,
means.
Come
that's
on,
literally
man.
what the verse
These
means,
guys
bro.
here, man.
You guys are just making stuff up, putting
Yeah,
stuff
you're
in
making
that's
it
not
up.
there.
This is why, please mute up. This is why Life said explaining this to you guys is pointless. And so this is all I'm going to do here. We're just going to give this answer. This is going to be done. And then I'm going to show you guys how you just buried your Quran. It's just
All right,
simple
but
as that.
yo, look up
Now-
the definition of
Hey,
survive.
No. Now watch this now. Now what happens if the master injures the slave? As we just saw here, right? As he beat him, but he survives a day or two. What happens to the master?
day or two.
What happens?
If he survives a day or two,
Yeah, what happens? If he didn't,
He's not to be
if
avenged.
If he's not unalived,
no,
so-
it doesn't say that. It says if he survives a day or
So if
two.
he survives, that means he's alive, right?
If you survive only for a day or two,
Is he alive?
Yeah, for a day or two.
Okay, so
That's
if
what the
he's
verse says.
alive, but he
For
was
a day or
beaten,
two.
what happens to the master?
Bro, you're skipping over. He's alive for a day or two.
And what happens to the master? Answer the question.
Nothing.
Okay, so nothing happens to the master, even
No
though you injured
punishment.
him?
Yep.
Okay, good. So life, you just read him the verse. Now notice how slow they are, because you read them
26 and
this verse.
27.
You read them this verse, and this is what they're ignoring. Verse 23, but if there is harm, then you shall pay life for life, eye for an eye, tooth for tooth, hand for hand, foot for foot, burn for burn, wound for wound, stripe for stripe. When a man strikes the eye of his slave, male or female, and destroys it, he shall let the slave go because of his eye. If he knocks out a tooth of his slave, male or female, he shall let the slave go because of his tooth. Do you see what happens if the master injures his slave?
Yes, that's injury. That's not
So if
death. That's not
if he
unaliving.
beats the slave and injures the slave, he's supposed to let the slave go, correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay, so if he unalives the slave, then the master gets unalived because of it. If he beats the slave, but the slave survives, but he's
A day or
injured,
two.
he has to
A
let him
day or
go.
two.
He has to
Don't
let him
skip
go.
over the day or two.
Yeah. Don't
There's
skip a
there
day
is
or
no
two.
skipping
You can't
over.
skip a day or
It's
two.
under his hand. That's all that matters.
No,
No,
you
what are you talking about? I'm talking about
but here we
21.
go here, guys.
you're
But
twisting.
day
You're
or
twisting
two
the
doesn't
beginning
matter.
part.
Yeah,
That's
Yeah,
what
yeah,
you're
you're
doing.
twisting
please
it.
don't interrupt me.
Yeah, you're twisting the beginning
Please
part.
don't
Trying to
interrupt
ignore
me.
it.
I don't want to have to mute you guys. Please don't interrupt me, because I'm sick. I'm under the weather, so I can't talk over y'all. So what we have here is we have where justice is being served to the master. You guys see here that a master is getting punished either way, whether he unalives the slave or whether he injures the slave. Something is being done to the master, and just some type of justice is being served when it comes to the mistreatment of the slave. Do you guys at least see? Can you guys at least admit that and see that before we move on?
Correct, but not if he survives a day or two
It
after
it
the
literally
beating.
talks about his injury.
Yeah, that talks about injuries. This is
Okay,
talking
good.
about unaliving.
Okay, good. Now, here's my question. What happens in Islam when a master unalives a slave?
A master can be punished for killing. For unaliving his slave.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to chapter 2 for me.
Chapter 2 of what?
Verse 172, I believe it is.
And while he's looking that up too, Alex, this is Colossians 4. There's other verses in the Bible as well too. You said, well, so can they just beat their slaves? Absolutely not. Chapter 4, verse 1 says, Masters, give your bondservants what is just and fair,
Not what I
knowing
said.
that you also have a master in heaven. Yeah, you did. You asked me, could they just beat their slaves? And I said, no, they can't.
To death.
They have a ruling if
I'm
it happens.
referring to death.
There's a ruling. No. There's a ruling if something like that happens. You have to rule on it. I mean, just because you're not supposed to do it doesn't mean people will still do it. So there's a ruling on it. That's why you have these Bible verses so people can.
Right, I already know. He just read it off the ruling, but we're talking about beating your slave.
So after I just read Colossians 4, are masters supposed to be beating their slaves? Yes or no?
No, they're not.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, but that doesn't negate the fact that
If they do and it's 1 or 2 days, then it's all good.
Yeah,
We already
if he
gave you
beats
the
him and he
punishment
survives
for
1
what
or 2
happens
days.
we already gave you the punishment for what happens if they do. You still got a rule on it. People are still going to break the rules, bro.
So you're negating the first 2 sentences of that verse?
No, you guys are negating.
The
No,
rule
you're the
says
one
nothing
who's
happens
ignoring
to
it.
him if he survives a day or two.
No, we're explaining it to you. You guys are negating it.
Yeah, I'm saying you don't know the definition of survive if you're trying to twist this verse.
You guys trying to twist it in your own ways,
listen,
trying to make it
listen,
positive
listen.
when it's not.
If somebody has cancer and I say she survived for a day or two, that means that she survived for a day or two.
Yeah.
That doesn't mean that she survived.
That's not what the verse
for
said.
years after.
That's not
It
what the
says
verse says. So
survive,
don't twist
survive a
it.
day or two in there.
It
It says
says
it right
survive a
away.
day or
Please do
two.
not twist what the verse said.
Bro,
Oh my
it says
God,
With your,
man.
with the
survive a
false
day or two.
analogies.
It's like
Now,
pointless.
can you guys get the verse, please?
How is it a false analogy?
Can you get the verse, please?
Okay, so you can't depict why it's a false analogy.
Can you get the verse, please?
Of what? Oh, 172.
2172 doesn't even talk about slavery. He's talking about the
Yeah,
Quran.
there's no
Hold
what
on,
he's
hold
talking
on.
about.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Come on. What the? 178.
Yeah.
Come on, Logic. You running, bro.
Yeah,
Stop
bet.
running, man.
He lost his site that he's looking the stuff on.
Prophet Google, y'all.
Did
Yeah.
y'all
What
not just
Prophet
hear me
Google
give y'all
do
the
to you?
verse? You guys can't pull up the verse?
We
That's
did.
what Prophet
It's not.
Google
It
do
doesn't
to you.
talk about slavery.
I just told you, just so open up your ears a little bit, and maybe you might be able to hear, get Satan out of your ears. It's 178. Let's see how much fun we have with this one. You guys are so concerned about the justice towards slavery.
Did you bring it up?
Chapter 2, verse 178, Habibi.
Yeah, I see it. This isn't talking about a slave and his master. It's just
Really?
talking about, huh?
Really, read it.
You read it.
I need you to read it, man. You're the Muslim.
I mean, you brought it up. You brought it up, bro. You read it.
Yeah, so since you are the Muslim, I want you to read it for yourself.
Bro, you just read it, bro.
Read it for yourself.
You're making a claim, bro.
Read it. What's the claim I made?
Bro, we brought up a Bible verse and reread it. We didn't ask
What
you
is
to
the
read it.
claim that I made? Thank you. So please,
I mean, well,
read the verse.
listen. I just said that it's not talking about a slave and his master. And then
Okay,
you
so
denied
read it and tell me what it's talking about.
We in the Quran right now, right? What verses?
Yeah, chapter 2, verse 178. I don't know why they don't want to read their book.
No, I could.
Iqra.
Wasim can read it. I'm not too good at reading.
I'll read it. Hold on.
Yeah, Wasim. I'm not too good at reading. I'm not.
Okay, no worries, bro. I could read it for you. No worries. If that's all you had to say, I got you. So it says this. Excuse me. You who believe, fair retribution is prescribed for you in cases of murder. The free man for the free man. The slave for the slave. The female for the female. But if the culprit is pardoned by his aggrieved brother, this shall be adhered to fairly, and the culprit shall pay what is due in a good way. This is an alleviation from your Lord and an act of mercy. If anyone then exceeds these limits, grievous suffering awaits him. So,
Right. So
in the case, go ahead. Let's see if you can break it down.
so the
Free man for free man, slave for slave, female for female.
yeah. So basically, if anyone does injustice, so these are the different categories of injustice. Then one of the things in Islam is the family member can forgive. Another thing is you can give. Like this is relating to unaliving. And another is the person who unalived. They can give money to the family. And another thing is eye for eye. Just how you were reading in the other passage, we have something like that too. So
Well, no, that's not eye for an eye.
No, we have that in our religion. I'm just talking generally.
Well, no, you don't. This is an eye for an eye.
So
Eye for an eye is if, let's say, I unalive the slave. So, and I'm a free man. A free man unalives the slave. That free man that unalived that slave will be unalived in return.
yeah, we
That's
have
eye
that
for
too.
an eye.
We have that.
No, you don't.
You want me to prove you have that?
I'm reading
give
it
something
to you
else.
right here. The free man does not die if he unalives a slave. It's a free man for a free man, not a free man for a slave.
Yeah, but there's still punishment for it.
Well, okay, so what is the
So
punishment for a free man unaliving a slave? It's not death, is it?
it can be, but generally it's not.
No.
So
Show me in the Quran where it is. Show me in the Quran where the free man receives death for unaliving a slave. You see how I showed you in the Bible with the very verse that you guys went to? The Bible showed you that free men who unalive slaves get unalived themselves in return. Justice.
Yeah, not if he survives a day or two.
But not according to your Quran. In your Quran, a free man can unalive a slave and be good.
we proved to you that you guys are ignoring the day or two part. So
Oh, we're ignoring the day or two apart. Nice.
Yeah. So what you said is incorrect.
Really?
Yeah.
You agreed. I'm too sick for this. You agreed about what the verse said. That the free man gets, the slave gets avenged. The slave gets avenged even when unalived by a free man. The free man who unalived the slave gets unalived in return. But
Yeah, not if he
according to-
survives a day or two.
But according to your Quran, well, because he's not unalived. But according to
No.
your Quran,
If you only survive a day or two.
pay attention, Alex. Stop running, Alex.
You're dead.
Stop running, Alex. But according to your Quran, does the free man get unalived for unaliving a slave? I know that nervous chuckle. I know.
Bro, listen, bro. Yes,
What?
free for free, slave for slave, female for female. I
Yeah.
don't have a problem with that.
You don't have a problem with it.
I don't have a problem with
So
that.
you don't have a problem with a free
No,
man
but-
being
yeah,
able
listen.
to get away with unaliving a slave. You have no problem with that.
No, but the thing is, though,
Don't you
listen.
ever bring up Exodus 21.
Are you gonna keep talking? Or are you gonna listen?
No, yeah, I'm just finishing it off.
there's still punishment for it.
Wait,
I'm
wait,
gonna
wait,
hear you out.
Sim.
I'm gonna hear you out, bro. I'm gonna hear you out.
Yeah,
Just let
the
me
thing
listen.
is, your book.
You said that you have no problem with it. So
You're not
don't you
talking.
ever.
Are you gonna keep talking? Are you
Yeah, I'm gonna keep talking. I'm gonna finish this because I'm finishing you off right now. Don't
Okay,
you
well,
ever.
please don't use that language.
Don't
That's a little
you
weird, bro.
ever bring up Exodus 21 again as if you have some moral high ground and some moral problem with it. Because you just said
We do.
you have no problem with a free man being able to get away with murdering a slave with no punishment.
No,
Stop
that's
it.
not what it says. That's not what the verse says. Listen, the verse says you could take his life. If we're taking life, it's free for free, slave for slave, female for female. It doesn't say that there's not going to be any punishment. Your book says there's going to specifically not be any punishment. So there's a difference.
Oh, wow. You know what? Alex, you're actually right. There actually is a punishment here because it's slave for slave, you know?
Right.
It's slave for slave. So that means that let's say if I unalived your slave, then you can now unalive my slave in return.
Wow.
So my
Wow.
innocent slave will be punished and be put to death.
No, not
because
what the verse says
I
at all.
unalived
That's
your
not what the
slave.
verse says.
Says,
Really?
what
No.
does it mean by slave for slave then?
Yeah, it just says basically if a slave unalives a slave, then you could put the other slave to death. But if the slave or if a free unalives the slaves, then you can't put the free to death for the death of the slave.
Is that equality?
No, I mean it's not what you just said. What you just said was incorrect.
No. Hey, is that equality? No, you just changed the.
So
Yeah, it's
But
equality.
is that
It's equality
equality?
because it's free for free,
so
slave for
I
Wait,
don't
slave.
no,
got
wait,
I
wait.
gotta go, but
Wasim,
basically,
before you jump in, let me just ask this to him. Is it equality that a free man can get away with unaliving a slave with his life, while a slave dies for unaliving a slave? Is that equality with a slave and a free man? Does that show equality in humanity?
Yes, it quite literally is because it's like I
Yes, it
said,
shows
slave for
equality, ladies
slave.
and gentlemen. Islam 101.
Yeah, free for free, slave for slave, female for female.
Slave is equal to a free man?
Did I say that? No, I
That's
didn't
what
say that.
so I literally just asked you, is this equality? You said yes. So
Yes,
you
that's
said, so
equality.
yes, it was equality. They're both equal.
Yeah, for the slave and the slave is
No, I didn't
equality.
ask you that. Is the slave and the free man equal in value?
I mean, they're not equal, no.
Thank you. So what you just admitted is that even in Islam, not only do you have injustice here, but you have equality when it comes to human value. That a slave is worth less than a free man as a human. Where in the Bible, the slave is
It's his
equal
property. It's his property.
to the
No,
human.
no, it's not. It's his property.
Oh, really?
No,
You know what?
false.
Let me show you.
It's his property.
Let me show you something. Let me show you the context of even Exodus 1. Let me show you how it even starts off. Here's verse 1, because you don't even know what you're talking about. Here's verse
It
1.
literally said, bro, the verse we read said that it was his
Watch this,
property.
Alex. Watch this. Let me show you why he's property. Let me show you why. Now, these are the rules that you shall set before them. When you buy a Hebrew slave, he shall serve you 6 years, and in the 7th he shall go out free for nothing. If he comes in single, he shall go out single. If he comes in married, then his wife shall go out with him. If his master gives him a wife, and she bears him sons and daughters, and the wife bears him children, shall be her masters, and he shall go out alone. But if the slave plainly says, I love my master, my wife, and my children, I will not go out free, then his master shall bring him to God, and he shall bring him to the doorpost, and shall bore his ear through his ear an owl, and he shall be a slave forever. So this is choice. This is indentured servitude. This isn't kidnapping. This isn't forced labor. This is when someone sells their labor to someone for a certain amount of years.
Where does it say that's the only type of slavery there is?
This is Exodus 21. This is the context, bro.
I said, where does it say that was the only type of slavery there is?
This is Exodus. You quoted Exodus 21. Exodus 21 is talking about indentured servitude. That's the type of slavery it's talking about. When you skip past verses 1 to 6 and you jump to verse 20 and 21, you tend to not know what the heck is going on in the chapter. That's what usually happens when you skip context.
Bro, you just made a point. You said that the only type of slavery is basically voluntary. That's what you
No,
said.
what I said is that Exodus 21 is talking about voluntary slavery, indentured servitude. That's what I said. Please pay attention, bro.
Okay, cool.
So now pay attention. What the contrast that I was showing you is that why in Exodus 21 they're a property. It calls them the property because they give themselves over to their master. They sell themselves to them to work for them, for housing, for shelter, things of this nature.
Okay. They're not equal. They're not equal, though, are they? Are they equal?
They are equal because
How is your property equal
when
to?
when the master unalives the slave, the master gets unalived in return. They're equal. It's not free man for free man, slave for slave. It's man for man, period. But in your
Right.
Quran, it's unequal. It's unjust. It's unbalanced. How can you?
No, it's not unbalanced. It's not unbalanced at all.
It is
Like I
unbalanced,
said, the
Alex, because
difference.
what does
Listen,
hold on,
listen.
Alex, hold on one second. It is unbalanced because what does another innocent slave have to do with someone else's dispute?
That's not what the verse says. The verse doesn't say to just unalive a random slave. Clearly, that's
So it justifies slave for slave.
yeah. Like I said, if a free man if a free man kills a slave, then you can't if a free man kills a slave, you can't kill a slave in return.
It's literally what the verse.
That doesn't.
That's literally what the verse says. Slave for
No.
slave.
You explained it by saying the exact opposite of what the verse
No,
is
listen.
saying.
Listen. The free for free, the slave for slave. So if a free man kills a slave, you can't kill a free man in return. That's what the verse is saying.
You do in
No,
return.
it's not.
So what can you do?
What
in
do you mean? No, it's
return?
not. What do you mean? No, it's not. I could give you the tafsir of the verse. I don't understand what you're saying.
You want the tafsir of the verse? It gets worse. As a matter of fact, let's
Okay.
do that.
I mean, are you going to refute what I just said or not?
Wait.
We are.
Okay.
The verse refutes you if you just read it.
Wait a second.
No, it says the free for free, the slave for slave. So
It doesn't say
if
a slave not for. It doesn't say a slave not for a slave. It says a slave for a slave.
So what happens if a master unalives a slave, Alex?
yeah, there's other repercussions, but
What's
he
the
can't be unalive.
repercussion?
We could look into it, but
Dude, it tells you right there.
no, it doesn't tell you right there.
Okay.
It says that his life
Uh-huh.
life can be taken.
Whose?
Also, this
Whose life could be taken?
huh?
Whose life can be taken?
The free's life can't be taken.
Correct. It cannot be taken. Whose life can be taken, though?
The free for free, the slave for slave, and the female for female.
Right. So if
Thank
a
you.
master unalives someone's slave, whose life will be taken?
Not the masters.
Good. So that master's slave will be
No,
taken.
that's not
Right?
what the verse says. You're putting that into
It's
the text.
slave for slave. iPhone for iPhone. Galaxy for Galaxy. Samsung for Samsung. Slave for slave, man.
God
No.
logic. You know
Also-
who were slaves? Your answer.
Also, listen. The thing which is really bad about your Bible verse is that it
Oh,
specifically gives a out of beating your
Back to the Bible
You're
verse,
just
man.
spewing all that white man's hate.
No, I
Who
thought we were
is-
talking about the Bible verse versus the Quran verse. That's why you brought up
If
the
there are any serious Muslims in the chat, rise up. No trolls, man.
He was a Muslim.
Go ahead, Alex.
Yeah, the thing is, your Bible specifically outlines and gives an out of beating your slave half to death. Our Quran doesn't do that. It just says that the free for free, the slave for slave, and the female for female.
Uh-huh. So let me ask
I
you this.
also believe this verse was abrogated also.
It
Oh,
wasn't.
wow.
545.
It wasn't. He was trying to do something. But
No,
let me
no,
ask,
it
let me,
was.
let me
It
ask
was.
you. Let me ask you this, Alex.
was.
Let me ask you this.
Abrogation now, huh?
Let me ask
Yeah,
you
it
this
was.
honest
It was
question.
abrogated.
Let
And
me ask you this honest question.
Quran 545.
What do you think is more just? Do you think it's just if a master was to unalive his slave, that the master is unalived in return? Do you think that's just?
No, because he's not. Like I said, free for free, slave for slave. Free for free, slave. Bro, I get my morality from God. I don't get it from.
You changed it though.
Yeah, you don't. Clearly, you don't get your morality from your book because
changed
your book,
I
your
don't- I
book
don't-
doesn't agree with
I
what
don't.
you're
I don't
saying.
need. I don't need a book to tell me what is right.
Bro, no. The thing is, your book
I
contradicts what you're saying.
already know that child sex relations is wrong. That's why I reject the Quran. I already know that I already know that it's
let's go
unjust
to
to
let's
commit
go to
adultery.
Numbers.
Hold on, Alex. I already know that it's unjust to commit adultery. That's why I know that the Quran is wrong. I already
Where did it say
know-
to commit adultery in the Quran?
Oh, chapter
Yo,
4.
are
All
you
over
gonna
the
keep
place.
talking, or are you just gonna
424. 424.
Okay.
but
Elaborate. Elaborate.
No need. We got to finish one step at a time.
Okay, yeah, we could finish. No problem.
Okay, cool. All right. So you said that it's not just that a master faces the repercussions of death for unaliving another human being that is under him, his slave. You said that that's not just.
Like I said, free for free, slave for slave, female for female.
That's not. I didn't ask you to repeat the verse to me. I'm
I
asking
mean,
you, Alex, as a human being. I'm asking you. Seriously, like I want your
it's not
heart.
as a human being. I don't have subjective morality. I have objective
Good,
morality from my
good,
book.
good, good, good. So I'm asking you this then. Is it just to unalive a master for unaliving his slave? Is that just?
What in what context? Why did he unalive
Here's the
him?
context. Here's the context. He murdered his slave, bro.
Okay. Yeah, well, I would say no.
You would
Like I
say
said,
no.
free for free.
It's not just to unalive that master in return.
No, because the God says otherwise.
All
So
right,
no.
beautiful. All right, guys. So and all right, I'll leave it there. But just to let you guys know, man, 245 people saw it.
Okay.
We saw here the problem
Did
here
he?
that we had. It got as soon as it got flipped. As soon as it got flipped, this man's entire
I
morality and
stood my
ideology
ground on my
changed
belief.
on the subject. So
No,
now I
no, it
just hope,
didn't. How did it?
as a consistent person, Alex, I hope that you never bring up Exodus 21 as an argument again. Just don't do it.
I hope you don't twist your scripture again and say that the verse isn't telling you to beat your slave half to death. I hope you don't twist your verse again. At least
Okay.
I don't twist my verse. I stand with my Quran and my belief.
Wait, didn't I read a verse to you that states that you can't do that?
No, you haven't.
I read it to you and I asked you, can you do that? And you said no. And now you're going back to it?
That's beating. That's regular beating. We're talking about unaliving.
Oh my
It's
goodness.
specific. It specifically talks about unaliving. That's the thing.
So did you want to see adultery?
Yeah, I wanted to see that. Yes.
All right. So before I show you this, can we agree on what adultery is? What would you say adultery is?
Cheating on your wife.
I agree. Cheating on your wife, sleeping with another man's wife, or vice versa, right? We can agree there.
Sure.
All right, cool. So, chapter 4, verse 24.
Oh, 20. Oh.
Man, I thought I was up for this, but I'm really not. My voice is already like going away. I'm gonna have to shut up for a while. Life and
Yeah, you couldn't handle it, huh?
nah.
So you're talking about slave woman. Slave woman.
Oh yes, indeed.
Okay, well they're their possession. So
What does that mean?
automatic. Bro, you realize? Wait. Do you know the context of how you would have a slave woman, right?
Yeah.
Okay, what happened to their? What
I
happened
know.
to their?
I know the context of this particular.
What happened
verse.
to their spouses?
They were actually alive. That's why they're still
Mm,
married.
They were either enslaved or they were executed. Correct?
Well, they're not executed in this context because they're married. What do you call
No,
a
I'm
woman?
saying their husbands. Their
Yeah,
husbands. They
I
were
know.
either.
I know what you're talking about. What do you call a woman whose husband has passed away?
A widow.
Exactly. Exactly. It's a widow. So she's not married anymore. She's a widow.
No problem, bro. Her
This
husband is a
verse.
slave,
Let me
bro.
finish it. This verse. This verse doesn't call them widows. It says they're married.
Okay. Yo, yeah, that's fine, but bro, your husband is a slave, bro. Like I don't know what you expect to happen,
What is that gonna? Oh, don't. What do you expect to happen?
bro. Your husband is a slave, like, bro.
So does that mean that they're not married anymore?
Well,
Yeah,
they're
it's
still married.
invalid. You're property.
Well, they're still
You're
married
literally
though, right?
property.
They're still married though. So when you sleep with another man's wife,
No. I believe the marriage is invalid at this point.
according to who? They're still married. The Quran still says they're married. The Quran doesn't.
Sure. If you read it, but you're throwing the laws of speech away.
I haven't thrown
speech away.
anything away. I'm only using what the Quran says. It says, "Forbidden for you are all married women, except those whom your right hand possesses." So they're the exception to the rule. Excuse me.
Right. Yeah, I see what you mean, but the thing is, like the language of the Quran could, like you could I would have to find a specific example, but even if I go with what
Examples
you're
if you want to
saying,
see, bro. You want to see the examples?
even if I go with what you're saying, that the husband Islamically he can't provide for the woman, he can't do anything for the woman, etc. Um
That doesn't mean she's no longer married, bro. Did you read
no, I
424?
didn't say that. We could get to that, but you agree though, right? That your husband can't, if you're enslaved, you can't do anything for your spouse.
What does
You
that
can't
have to do?
provide for her.
What does that have to do with me, with my wife being taken from me and being ravished by a man who just beat
That's
me
not
in
what it
battle?
says. It
That's
doesn't say, to force yourself upon. It
well,
just
that's what's
says that.
happening.
No, that's not. You're putting that into the text.
We'll go through it step by step. No worries. But first, we agree that this Quran verse allows an exception to adultery, correct? For you to sleep with another man's wife, right?
That's how you're putting it.
That's what.
Personally, I put it as um, I put it as once they get married, that then they're permissible. That's how I
Well, that's not
take the
what it says
verse.
here. You don't have to marry your right
Well,
hand.
let's read the tafsir,
You
because you're
sure?
giving yeah, we can read the tafsir, but Ibn Kathir.
Okay, go ahead.
All right, 1 second. Give me a minute. Okay. Yeah, no problem. No problem. What's your issue?
What do you mean? What's my issue? Did you get to the part? I mean, you couldn't have gotten there that quick, but can you
No,
get to the part where?
I see it. I see it in just my explanation.
Okay. Did you see where he quotes the hadith behind this context of why this verse was revealed?
No, I haven't.
All right, yeah, get to that part, please.
No problem. Do you know what happened to their husbands by chance?
They're alive.
No, but do you know what happened to them? Like, are they enslaved?
It
Are
doesn't. It
they
doesn't say. It doesn't say if
okay?
they were enslaved or.
What do you think? What do you?
I don't
Well,
know.
I forget that. Not what you think. They were enslaved.
That's not what it
Yeah,
says.
They were
it's
enslaved.
probably either or, unalived or enslaved.
Well, they
So
wasn't.
Right.
They wasn't unalive because they're
Okay.
still. You can see
So
that
wait.
the
Okay.
that the Muslims still
So
had a problem
so wait. So
with
logic.
taking. Hold on, let me finish, please.
Okay.
They're still alive because it literally says they had husbands among them.
Yeah. No problem. No
So
problem.
the husbands are there.
Okay. So let me ask you.
oh yeah, you guys are talking about that
Okay.
hadith. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they're alive.
Okay. So is it fair to the wife to have an enslaved husband that is separated from her, that can't provide from her, that has gotten
No, let her
conquered?
be with her husband. Don't enslave her. Let her be with her husband.
They don't have that right no more. They're enslaved.
Ah, so wait, so you're the one making it an unfair, impossible position for her.
No,
So
they're
so now
slaves.
wait, does this
They
now
were
give
at
you
war. They
does
were
this
at
now
war.
does this now give you the right now to take this man's wife and sleep with her?
No, you're presupposing. It gives
What am I
the
presupposing?
woman. It gives the woman the right to have a spouse, to have
It
a
doesn't say
partner.
that at all. No, it has nothing to
What
do
do you
with
mean
the
it
women.
doesn't
It
say
has
that?
everything to do with the men,
No,
the
I'm
Muslim
telling
men
you
who
that.
won the
I'm
battle.
telling you. I'm telling you. Because
I don't care
I'm
what
not
you're
taking.
telling me. I know what I'm reading.
No, you asked me a question. You asked me, is it fair for the husband? And I said it's fair for the wife. That's what I'm
Oh,
telling
so
you.
it's fair for the wife to be taken by her captor away from her husband to be slept with and laid with?
No, not taken. You're
That's
presupposing
what's
that it's
happening.
forcible. You're
You think?
presupposing it's forcible.
Wait, hold on. So, do you think that she willingly went when the Muslims invaded their village? You think they said, "Oh, our
Willingly went
captors
with the
are
men.
heroes. Let's go with them." You
That's
think
not
that's
really
what
how
happened?
slavery works, bro.
Okay, so do you think? Answer the question. Do you think that when the Muslims came and raided and defeated their men and raided their village, that they willingly and happily went with their new Muslim masters?
Like in regards of slavery or in regards of intimacy?
Period.
No. Yeah, they're two different questions.
Period. So answer both of them. Either one.
Yeah. With regards to slavery, I don't know, maybe, but maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how
So
women.
you don't know nothing.
I don't
So
know. I mean,
how about this, bro?
women are attracted to powerful men.
How about we do this? How about we stick?
Maybe she
How
wanted the
about we
ones.
just stick to what the text says? Okay, let's stick to that.
All right, no
So
problem.
according to the text, these women are married, they get taken, and the men sleep with them, right?
I mean, no, not taken.
Yes.
Bro,
And then it
what?
Not
says
taken.
we captured some of the women.
You know what capture means, bro?
Yeah. Right. No. But you're like you're like I said. You said we could tackle one point at a time, and now
Hey,
you're
really
So
quick,
combining the
do,
Alex.
points.
Hey, really quick, Alex. 1 second. Logic. Ox said they went willingly in the audience, so I brought him up. Ox, you want to
LOL.
explain how they went willingly? The women gave themselves up willingly. Can you?
I mean, that's another point.
There's no indication that they tried to escape after the battle was won. They never tried to escape.
They
So
never tried to escape
after-
once the battle was won.
Yeah, so after the battle was won, remember the men fighting here, not the women, right? So the
Right,
women
right,
would fight. So after the battle was won, the women never tried to run.
Right. Just like you know, when the army comes in, the enemy army comes in, and there's you know, they got guns held to our faces and our heads. No one tried to run. You know, they didn't try to escape, so they went.
No one tried to
You're
run.
not a
so
woman.
we
You're not a
like
woman.
They went.
You're not a woman.
They went willingly
Are you a woman?
with a gun pointed at my face. They said, "Get in the
Logic. Are
car."
you a woman?
I
What
willingly
happens to
I willingly
what
got in the
happens
car.
to
Life.
right?
Okay.
What happens to captives that try to run?
They can run.
Huh?
They can run, yeah, they can run. Not going to chase them.
Yeah.
Oh,
what happens?
they're
to
not
them
going
if
to
they
chase
try to
them?
run?
No, of course not. Why would they chase them?
Oh man, you are a liar, bro.
Can you show me an example?
What's the point of them? Hey, hold on, Ak.
That's
What's
a
the
whole
you
nother
made
point,
the,
though. We're going off on another
Yeah,
point. This is
Tick, you made the claim.
I just want to say
about them running.
I just want to say this. They're called captives for a reason. But go ahead,
Yeah.
y'all go ahead and finish up.
Yeah. So can you give me an example of them running and being chased?
So we're gonna continue this point here. So Alex, so they're captured, right? These married women are captured, and then the men are reluctant, according to what Ibn Kathir is quoting, right? They're reluctant to have intercourse with them because they're married, right? That's what it says. If you're reading it,
Sure.
if you're reading it, that's what it says.
Yeah, they get remarried.
No, it doesn't say they get remarried.
Yeah, and the next read the
That's
next
the
verse.
tafsir, right?
Read the next verse.
Alex, the next verse has nothing to do with the right hand possession of this verse. So, Alex,
No,
please stay
it
focused.
absolutely does.
Please
It
stay
absolutely
focused.
does.
You are in Ibn Kathir's tafsir. You said, let's read the tafsir. So I said, good, let's read it. So you're in Ibn Kathir's tafsir. You told me that you got to the part where he starts quoting the hadith.
Right.
So you're at the part where he starts quoting the hadith. Now you got to the part where it says that they caught some of the women, right, among the pagans who had husbands, and that they were reluctant to have intercourse with them, right?
Right. Go ahead.
Why were they reluctant? Why were they hesitant to have sexual relations with their captives? They're their booty. They're their war reward. Why are they reluctant this time?
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead with your
It tells you right there. If you read it, you said you're looking at it, right?
Yeah, but I'm not your lap dog, bro. Just go ahead with your
You
point,
know, you're not
please.
my lap, bro. This
Already
is for
married.
understanding, man. I'm not trying to like,
It's because they were already married. Yes.
this- thank you, Ak. It's because they were already married. So even these Muslims who had just won the war and captured these women had an ounce of decency within them to understand that it would be wrong to have sex with these women who they captured because they were already married.
No, they're just ignorant on they're unknowledgeable.
Oh, they're just ignorant.
And God
What?
revealed the verse. God revealed the verse.
Now, was this verse
Giving them
revealed
respite.
beforehand or after?
Yeah, it's a convenient verse, bro. You know what that
And
means?
boom, convenient.
Yeah, the verse was revealed after. Giving them
Exactly.
respite.
Yes.
So the verse
So
is revealed in response to the desires of the men. The men want to have sex with them, but they're reluctant, they're hesitant, and they don't know if they're allowed to or if they should because they're married.
Yes. Okay. Can I answer?
So to get rid of all of this, to get rid of their troubles and yada yada yada, this verse of Allah comes down to Muhammad and says, don't worry about it, guys.
Do your
All
thing.
married women are forbidden except those whom you capture in war. You
yes, nothing wrong with this.
You can have
Nothing
sex
wrong
with them. Okay, nothing wrong with it. No worries.
So there's
Yeah.
nothing wrong with adultery.
Yeah, like
So
I
there's
said,
nothing wrong with adultery.
no. Listen. Like I said, you try to
Wait.
run away from my point.
Wait, Alex, is there anything wrong with adultery? Can you just conclude on that point? Is there anything wrong with adultery?
It's not adultery.
I would say there's something wrong with adultery. This is a specific. This is a
This is
specific.
not adultery.
And you guys see again the second flip. At first he said
listen,
adultery was wrong, and then he demanded that I showed him where in the world does the Quran say you can do adultery.
But
And I showed him, and now there's nothing wrong with adultery.
Yeah, right.
Now there's nothing wrong
Now
with
there's
adultery.
nothing wrong with adultery.
No, yeah, but listen though. It's like if you ask me, is there something wrong with unaliving, and I say, yeah, there's something wrong, but you're like, oh, what if somebody breaks into your house? Like, there's always an exception to the rule. Like I said,
No,
I could
there's
explain
not.
it. Yeah,
There's not,
like I said, I could
there's not
explain it to you.
exceptions there's not exception to certain rules.
No, there is. Like, let me explain it to you. Like I asked you, is it fair for the woman to have an enslaved husband who can't provide, has gotten conquered, has gotten him and himself enslaved, can't provide for his woman? How is that fair for the woman?
Don't enslave her then.
That's the
No,
thing.
right,
It's
that's
not-
right.
Don't
it's
enslave
not-
her or her husband.
It's
Let
not
her go.
always
Be
a
together.
way
Just-
out.
or-
That-
Hey,
that's
just like
that's
Ox,
knowledge.
just like Ox said, let her go and don't chase her, man.
Yeah, or
What's
how about
funny
this?
is you're
Or how about this,
exposing the
Alex?
wisdom.
Or
You're
Alex,
exposing the
how about this,
wisdom
Alex?
behind
Can I get a
the
word
Alex,
in at
I have
some
a
point,
better
please?
idea. I have a better idea. If you are even going to enslave these people, enslave them together. Keep them together.
They don't have the right. They don't have the right.
Yeah, but now that you,
They're at war.
you
They're
having
at
the
war.
power, you having the power over them now, you have the power to either separate them or keep them together as a couple. You can do that.
Okay.
Watch
Okay,
this.
keyword
So do
the
you think it's
power.
merciful? Do you think it's good that, you know what? Yes, I conquered this people, but I'm going to still
Wait,
allow
wait.
the married couples in this captivity to
Oh
be
my
together.
god. So wait. So you're like, so you think
Answer
they
the
should like just,
question.
well, I'm asking, you think they should just be in like the slave house, just like having sex and things
They're
such like that?
married. They can do what they
I
can
mean,
do
that's
that.
a little weird to me, bro.
Oh, but you don't think it's weird
I
for
mean,
a captor to take a
no,
married man's wife and sleep with
no,
her when he wants?
no. That's the best for the
Got
wife.
it.
Like I
That's not,
said,
that part's not the weird part.
the wife,
But the
the
Right.
wife
married
is
couple,
And look at
satisfied.
what he said, Alex. Look at what you said. Look at the example that you gave. It's not fair, right? The obvious point would to be, well, to not do it in the first place if something's not going to be fair as a result of it, correct? So if I were to come and break into somebody's house, unalive their husband, and take their wife, right, and then say, well, I did it because it wasn't fair that she was left alone and didn't have a man to provide.
False
Like,
equivocation. False equivocation.
that's literally
Because
what you said.
no, we're talking about war. We're talking about people unaliving each other. People watching their best, like, bro, they're at war. This isn't just a home invasion. Like, it's a mutual warfare, and they were captured. The husband is pretty much irrelevant. He's a slave. He's gotten conquered. He's gotten beat up. He's gotten emasculated. And the woman has no redress. She has no right. She has no satisfaction. So now she's getting provided her rights. All you're doing is exposing the wisdom of the Quran in
If this
reality.
was done
You
to your
don't see
mother,
it.
would you be okay with that? Let me just
Can I ask a question, Avery, quickly? Sorry.
wait. This is super quick. And then you got it. Would you be okay if this happened to your mother, Alex?
Let's change the topic. Let's stop being like, come on, bro. What a
Yeah,
dumb
this is
question.
no. I want you to apply the wisdom of the Quran to your mother. Would you be okay with the wisdom of Allah being applied to your mother here?
Would you be okay if we captured your mother?
No, I'll punch you in your mouth and break your teeth.
Okay,
Can I
well,
answer your question?
you would be a slave.
Would you be
would a
okay
slave.
with the wisdom of Allah, being applied to your mother? Answer the question.
Now you jump. Now I butchered you, and now you jump to attacks. Now you jump
How's
to
this an attack?
attacks.
I'm just asking you to practically apply this.
No.
Would you be okay with this
I
happening to your
butchered you.
mother?
Logic.
butchered
What's
you.
your point here? What's your
No,
point?
Yeah.
nobody else jump in. This is Alex. He's gonna answer this.
Yeah, now I butchered you, and now you're resorting to attacks when I butchered
Right.
you, and I butchered your logic.
You did. Would you be okay with
so
this happening to your mother?
So praise for Islam because you're an idiot. You've gotten dismantled. You've gotten dismantled. You're
Come on,
jumping
man.
to
Come on,
attacks.
man.
You're jumping to
Alex.
attacks now. I butchered your logic.
He didn't
See-
attack, bro. He asked a
So
logical
praise.
question.
As soon as you try to personally apply it, they'll throw Allah under the bus and His wisdom. He just said that this is the wisdom of Allah.
Okay,
This is the beauty of the
Can I say something
Quran.
now? I've been
But
waiting.
he won't be happy if this happened to his mama.
Hello. I've been waiting. Can I say something?
This is funny. This is sad.
Paul has a question though.
This is
you're
this
done
is
now.
funny.
Paul just came up and I've been here a while.
Real quick. Yeah,
I promise. I promise.
Hold on, real quick, Paul.
Okay.
Let me give Ak the floor real quick. He wanted to respond to that. Go ahead, Ak.
Well, I've got a couple points I need to respond to. I'll respond to the last one quickly about it applying to the brother's mother. It wouldn't apply because she would be a believing woman, right? If she was considered a believing woman, that's the first thing. Second thing is when they were taking captives. Excuse me.
What if he's a convert and his mother wasn't a believer?
We'll get back to that.
No. I need that's the point. Answer.
Because it's my time to speak. I think so. We can get back
This
to
is
it.
this is the situation.
Oh.
I didn't put the
Oh,
situation of
yo.
his mother as a believer.
We could get back.
Wait, Alex, were you born as a Muslim?
Yo, I just want you to note that I
Alex,
butchered
were you born as a Muslim?
Listen. I butchered you, and all you're resorting is
Okay,
to
he can't answer a
personal
question.
attack.
He's on robot mode now. His mom. Let's say that his mother is a non-believer and he is a convert, and this happens to his mother. Is that a good thing? Is that cool?
If what happens if
Please
she gets
answer
taken? If she gets taken as a captive?
If she gets taken as a captive away from her husband, and now her captor is sleeping with her, is that
Well,
okay?
Firstly, the marriage is invalid. The marriage would be invalid because they're not believing.
So the marriage is now invalid
Yes.
after they captured and all
Yes,
the
this is why they asked the question. This is why the Sahaba asked the question. They didn't like sleeping with them.
Incredible.
Then the revelation came that permissible for you are the ones that your right hand possesses, meaning the marriage is invalid. It's not an Islamic marriage. It's not permissible by Allah. Their marriages were invalid from that moment. So they didn't have
Then why
husbands.
does the Quran?
They no longer had husbands.
Wait.
Now, when it actually comes to the captives, let's talk about the
If
captives.
their marriage is
God
invalid,
logic, you keep jumping on the points I'm saying rather than letting me
I'm
finish.
sorry, because
finish the
you
whole
keep
thing,
saying
man.
important things. If
Yeah, no,
their
but
marriage
no,
is
pen and
invalid, I
paper,
can't
write
let you
down what
slide
I'm
with it.
saying, and maybe you can come back
If
to it.
their marriage is
Be fair with him right
invalid,
now.
if their marriage is invalid, why does the Quran call them married?
Because they were married at the time.
So their marriage is valid then.
The marriage was valid at the time, yes. But
It
once
doesn't say was.
Hello.
It doesn't say was. It's present tense.
The hadith that's connected to it. Yeah, the Sahaba asked the question because they didn't like speaking with married women, right? Once they became captives, they were no longer married.
Where does it say that?
This is
No, because the hadith states that they were reluctant because of their husbands. You're not going to call them husbands if they're no longer married,
no
bro.
problem. Let me pull up.
And the Quran also calls them married. So come on, man. If you're gonna address the points, you can't fire off 5 different points and lie about each of them and then expect us not to jump in. So if you want to go point for point, let's do that. But we can't allow you to just do that, bro. They're married, bro. Your Quran says it, the Hadith says it, your God says it. You can't get around that.
Let me ask you, how were they married?
Because they had
Because
husbands.
the Quran says so. That's why Allah says they're married.
How did their marriage ceremonies take place? These
It
pagans.
doesn't matter how. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter how because it's
They're
not proven
married.
by God. Their marriage is not. Their marriage is not approved by God.
So then why does your Quran and your Hadith identify that they had husbands and that they are presently married?
Because they consider themselves married. Of course, they consider.
Oh my gosh!
No, Allah.
This
says
is
they're married,
Allah
so they're
speaking,
married.
bro.
Sahaba considered. Yes, the Sahaba considered them married as well. That's why
This
they
ain't
asked.
the Sahaba. This is Allah. Allah. Who's speaking in the Quran? Allah or Muhammad or the companions? Who's the speaker?
Or the Sahabas. Who's speaking, man?
to.
Who's speaking in the Quran?
Allah is speaking, but who's he speaking to?
Okay, so Allah is speaking in the Quran. Allah says also are forbidden married women. Allah is saying that they're married, right?
No, the married women are not the captives. The married women are not the captives.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Can I jump in now?
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll be quick. So is the husband a victim of adultery? If all the scenarios you're saying is true somehow, and we grant the extreme hypothetical that these captured women have been dreaming about someone come and capture them, and then they can have intercourse with them somehow, are the husbands that fleeing away and unable to come and retrieve their wives a victim of adultery?